Welcome to part 2 of the pegboard toy video. What we've been doing here is we constrained all of these three parts, the circle, triangle, and square, into the holes in an assembly file. Once again, these are all parts that we've created here in different Inventor part files. What we're going to be doing now is the last step, where we take the ends of our file, or the ends of our pegboard toy, and we attach them to the sides of the pegboard. Now to do it, we need to go back up to the constrain button. And we're going to place a constraint between the sides that are going to be touching. So I want that face, this face right here, of the end, to be touching, to be mated up against this face. I'm going to press apply, and let's test it. So right now I can pretty much move wherever we want it, and that's not good. It's also a little crooked in there too. So I'm going to have to place a constraint between the top surface and this bottom surface. I want those pieces to be locked in place. Let's go ahead and test this. And now I can move it left and right, but I can't move it up and down. So how can we lock it in place? There's a button here called the flush tool. And as the icon shows, the two boxes are flush with each other. So I'm going to click on that, and this is pretty slick. We just click on the two faces that we want to be flush. In this case, I want this side and this side to be flush, and I press apply. We now have the one side done, and it's locked in place. It doesn't move. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the left side. And while I'm doing it, notice how I'm moving the cube around. When you're placing constraints in an assembly file, this is a good skill to have, is being able to just kind of navigate your drawing effectively. And there it is. We now have the pegboard toy completed. And these middle pieces move and the rest of them don't. This one looks really good.